already have. Okay, hi Ludovic, hi Professor Daisy. I'm going to share with you a few tips. So I'm sorry, I have to share my screen. Okay, and you have to interrupt yours. Just a minute. Okay. Share. So I go to my JabRef straight. JabRef, let me see if I have them here. Now, so I can do it very fast from Café Capis, from just a minute. Café Capis. I'm going to access Scopus, okay?
Yeah. Do you need to use this site, Cafe Cave? Because I don't think we have access on that one.
No, she's accessing the journals, the database.
Okay, yeah.
Through this organization, but you have your own way to do it.
This first part is from the Brazilian side, but you can do it from your Swedish side, no problem.
Yeah.
So I go to database. I will do with Scopus. Here. I will search straight here, you know, like
Good green innovation.
Sorry?
Green innovation that he's working with.
Green innovation. Okay. And
manager.
Yeah, management and sustainability and
management and sustainability. Okay. This is just to show you that. Let me just see here. Okay. Search. 200 results to get better. Oh, it's a little bit slow today. Okay. All right. Now I will export all. I will export BibTeX format straight to JabRef.
Okay, because I think I used the RIS format. That's might be why. Because I thought you said that in your video, but perhaps it's different when you use Scopus, right?
Okay. And one thing, Ludovic, you cannot export straight from Mendeley to RankIn. No, unfortunately. You have to filter it on Excel. And if you use from Mendeley to Excel, it will not work. So that's why you have to use Mendeley, JabRef, Excel, and RankIn, or JabRef, Excel, and RankIn. Okay. And Daisy, I have just made a deposit, and we are not supposed in the future to use Excel anymore, only JabRef and RankIn, but it's not ready yet, okay?
Okay.
So export, it will open here, document, and I go to JabRef. My JabRef version is so old. It's not. I cannot update it now because it is from the university and I need a permission. So I have here, oops, where is it? Here and here. Okay. I go to my downloads. No, I'm not going to eliminate the duplicates right now because this is not what it's important. Now check here. See if the entry, all of them have entry types. Okay, I didn't filter conference, books, and so on, but I can do it very fast. Yeah, but if you want to maintain, you can, and you filter in the Excel later on. Delete it. Very good. Now check. All of them have authors? Yes. All of them, oh, here you do not have the author. Then I simply delete. Yeah, you can save it for later on. I'm simply deleting. Here, all of them have here. Okay. All of them have a book title. Very good. Check once again. Okay, look again. 2 papers without author. I delete them again because they might cause some trouble. Very good.
Can I just comment something? Because in my Mendeley, I can't see the ISS number.
Yes, you can't, but here you can. So in the JabRef, if you don't have this column, you have to enter this column, okay?
Manually.
Yeah, how to do it? You go here to options, preferences. Oops, it's not. Okay, no. Okay. So you have a entry table, and then mine is old, but the new version is so easy to add the ISSN, okay? Because you add somewhere in the new JabRef. I cannot explain here because this is very old. I'm sorry.
Okay.
But you can add this column here. Perfect. So you have all the data here. Perfect. So you check once, twice, title, all of them have title. Okay, now you're going to export them to Excel. Copy, export to clipboard, HTML, HTML table, export. Open an Excel spreadsheet, a new one. I think too much faster than my computer.
Yeah.
You know, so I am still better than this IA. Okay, so and then you paste here. Perfect. Now you have this this information here that we do not want. Select the column, classify, filter. Here, text filter contains vol. Okay. Del on your keyboard. Find and select. Go to special. Blank. Okay. Okay. Now you go here on the menu. Exclude the lines. Perfect. Very good. Now, what are you supposed to do? Yeah, as you can see here, again, we do not have the name, but okay, it will go there anyway, but better that you do not use select. Okay. Now, this is the most important tip. I hope you can see. I open a new one and I go, where is it? Sorry, all the favorites. I need to open a new, like here. This is no. Just a minute because I need to find my.
It's fine.
Yeah, I need my Methodi. Where is it? Oh my God. Okay. Just a minute, please. Okay. So, what will I find? Go faster. Oh, he doesn't want to open. Again, I'm sorry. Okay, ready. So I go to Drive. Not exactly. I had saved in my favorites, but it disappeared. Send. Okay, my Google Drive. Software guidelines. All of this to tell you that you have to download it again. Yes. Once it is downloaded, so I have here ranking 3. I go there in my downloads. Maybe you can do it that way. Look, this is very important. Click here with your right button. Properties. Unblock. Apply. Okay. Now you can open the RankIn spreadsheet and use it.
How will I download it again?
I can send you the link very easily.
Okay.
I have your email. I will forward it to you. Okay. And so you download it, delete this version you have, download all the versions you have, habilitate content, and you download it again before you open it. You do it. Okay. Now I come here to my Excel. Only until journal, no ref type or DOI. Only a few of them to demonstrate it to you. Paste here, right? Now you have perfectly all of them. Then you click here on Google Scholar.
Yeah.
And you copy the number of citations. Oops. Use double 2 windows to facilitate your life.
Yeah.
And so on. For instance, here it's yellow. Why? Because it did not copy automatically the name of the journal. So come here to Switzerland and delete Switzerland, including the space between the names, okay? Click enter, and you have here the number automatically put inside here, okay? And if you have, like here, Bingley, it's fine, it is the name. Like here, Innovation, Technology, and Management. There is a problem with the name. So you delete the page. Let's see if it copies. It didn't copy. Okay, now it copied, right?
Okay, but I see why like those disappear, but the 3 other yellow things, how do you think they can disappear?
Okay, this one here, let's see if it is a conference. Oops, no, I don't know if it is a conference or not, but what can you do here? Geoscience Frontiers. Let's see if it is okay. Okay, did you see? Yeah. Geoscience Frontiers. There was a blank space after the name. Here, let's see. Oh, here is okay. Maybe it doesn't have. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't have. It is a journal. So what can you do? You can copy it here and check on JabRef, Journal of Asian Finance. Okay. Journal of Asian Finance.
Okay, but yeah, I can use this, find it manually.
Yeah, you have to find it. Here. Can you see? Yeah. And then you have to copy the ISSN and put inside. Okay. Yep. All right. Any other doubts? Is that fine for you until now?
Yeah, I think I understand. Or I will understand if I watch the video again at least and go step by step.
Okay, so let me close here. Right, go back to you here. Okay, can I interrupt the record?
The recording, yes.
Okay, bye-bye, see you.
Thank
It
you,
was
Regina.
nice. Including you can forward this video, despite it is too, amateur, but you can forward to your friends if you have problems.
Thank you.
Will you send me the video by